Home Remedies presents Boil a white shirt in a pot with lemon slices. You will get amazing result. When shirts lose their white shine after a couple of years, it can make your clothes look a little dingy, and that's not what you want at all. So, should you throw the shirt away after wearing it only a couple of times? No, there's no need to waste a perfectly fine shirt like that. With this trick I have got for you today, your shirt will be back to being bright and white within no time. Are you liking the video? If yes, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel to support it. Procedure: put a big pot of water and wait until the water is boiled. Cut a lemon in slices. Put your shirt or another formerly white item of clothing into the pot with water. Be careful not to slosh the water over the edge, and add the slices of lemon. Allow the shirt and the water boil on low warmth for 5 minutes and stir regularly. Carefully drain the water from the pan. Now allow your shirt to cool for a couple of minutes before taking it out of the pan. Now wash your shirt like you normally would in the washing machine. You will notice your shirt will look a lot more white when it comes out of the machine. Try it out for yourself and share your comments. If you liked the video, hit that like button to give it more value and share it on your social networks to let others benefit from it too. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.